If you want to change the touch sound on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then we can pick up a different theme by choosing settings, by going to settings, and then over here we can scroll down just a little bit to go to sounds and vibration. Next over here go to system sound, and then we want to go to system sound theme, where we can choose a different theme for our system sounds that also includes the touch sound. So once you choose like the one that you like the most, you can simply exit, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!